Okay, here's the refrigerator. And when he left, it seemed like the door was closing pretty easy. I took some stuff off of the door just to make sure it wasn't too heavy. And then I moved everything away from the edge of the refrigerator so that nothing could be touching it. And now what's happening is when I close it, it leaves, it doesn't really close. So even if I like give it a shove, it still doesn't close. I'm trying to get, even if I hit it hard enough for stuff to fall off the shelves inside the refrigerator, it still doesn't close all the way. What else? Let's see. If I actually it gets to here and then there's something stopping it. Can you see? It's not. It won't go all the way shut. Now you can really push on it hard and get it to close, but I mean, I don't know if that's a good idea to have to kind of really push on it every single time you close it. I mean, it should sort of swing and shut by itself, especially when given some force. It doesn't close. So I'm trying to, if you really hit it, it does. Although there's still a little gap, but Levi said that was normal. Just doesn't feel like there's any, I don't know, pull to make that seal shut. See, I can push it until it's all the way touching, but it comes open super easy, just sort of almost by itself. I'm trying to push it close. Okay, so now it's closed, but it opens super easy. It should be way more, it should need way more than that to open it. I mean, it's just, it's like it doesn't stick shut. It just doesn't stick shut like the other ones do. The other ones would sort of seal like they had maybe a magnet or something in there. I don't know. But this one just won't. It just won't stick shut. Still not closed. Even if it does close, it doesn't stay closed. It pops back open, you see? If I do it a bunch of times, it'll stay. But then it opens so easy. Yeah, something's wrong. Something seems wrong. Still open.